How to unblock someone on Thread. So if you blocked a few accounts on Thread and now you want to unblock them, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. This works whether you're using Android or iPhone. So all you just need to do to unblock someone on Thread is go ahead and open the Thread app. Once you open the Threads app, locate the profile icon at the bottom right and click on it. Then click on the global icon or the private icon at the top left here. So if your Threads account is global, that is public, then you're gonna see the global icon. And if your Threads account is made private, then you should see the lock icon here. So go ahead and click on that. Once you selected that, scroll down, then you should see blocked under other privacy settings. Then once you click on that, you'll be taken to blocked accounts page. Then here are the people you've blocked on your Threads account. To unblock them, just click on unblock. Then spot that says unblock this user. Click on unblock, unblocking. Now you want to repeat this on all Threads users you blocked to make sure they are all unblocked. And once you're good, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to unblock someone on Thread. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.